there, they're both the same width. Stakes are 3 inches wide, so I cut them back to 2 3/4 to fit, because that's the width of the stake. And I had to smooth off the roughness so that it would fit in here. And it's a little tight, but I'd rather tighten it loose. My idea is that these are going to be a 2-inch cap rail that's going to go around my sideboards and across the front board. Okay, so this is the sideboard, and it's going to go on here, something like so. And then this headboard is going to sit in here, something like so, tight against this piece. And then it's going to sit in here flush against that trim board. And then I'm going to take some more 2-inch and cap that off there. And then I can make my secure here to connect the headboard to the sideboard, right? Okay, I've determined that the headboard should be 32 inches wide, so I cut this already to 32 inches. Then the cap rail that goes on that has to protrude past the sides, about 1 inch on either side, to mate up with the sideboards that are on the trailer. So we're going to set this up here. Doesn't look too bad right there. So now okay, there's the sideboards. This is the headboard. The headboard is going to fit in here like this. And then those joints will interlap. So now I need these pieces to come down the side here, right? Okay, so here's my piece. I'm just going to put it here, line it up with the edge of this, of the top cap. Put my square along there and make sure that the square goes down the side there the way it should. It doesn't look too bad there. So now I'll countersink here. Yeah, oh man. In the middle of the project, the battery dies. You ever notice the batteries always die when you're using it? Like the batteries never die when it's sitting on the shelf, right? Okay, so that's that side. So that's what that's going to look like. Now I'll do the same on the other end. Alright, so that doesn't fit on there too bad. To figure out what the side panel, how long the side panel is going to be, I'd like it to come so that I can still get my tailgate out, right? So I want it to stop a little bit short of this spot right here. Mark this right about there. That should be long enough. So I'm going to cut this, and I'm going to cut the other side because they should both be the same. And then we'll put it back on again and see what it looks like. Alright, so I got my trim cap on the sides all the way around. Now what I need to do is secure the sideboards to these stakes. And then I'm going to make sure that this is fully forward. Just like that. So I'm clearing my gate at the back. That looks pretty square. And that looks pretty square. Okay. I think that's going to be good. pretty nice. Now, that means that this should slide off. Just like that, and that's what I want, right? I want them to be removable. So I'm going to do the same on the other side, screw the sideboards to these stakes, and then we're going to look at how we're going to attach the front headboard. Hey, it's sticker time again at Grampie's Workshop. Boys, I've been missing sticker time. It's been a long time since I had a sticker to put up on my wall. And I've got lots of them on my wall here, but as you can see, there's lots more room for more stickers. So I'd love to have your sticker on the wall. So check my About page, shoot me off an email with your address. I'll send you my sticker, and then you can return the favor and send me yours. I'd love to get it here. And last week I went into town, get the mail. And I had a nice letter from an old buddy of mine. I've been watching this channel since he started over a year or so ago. His name is Taylor from Backwoods Small Engines. Check that out. Nice sticker, Taylor. And Taylor sent me a nice note. So let me see if I can read it here for you. He says, "Hello, Grampie Mike. I'm glad to reconnect with you after a little while. I hope you and Nanny are doing well, and I hope you all had a wonderful Christmas." Well, Taylor, we did. It was very quiet, but we did have a great Christmas. Here is my channel sticker finally after all this while, but I promised you my sticker once I got them, so here it is finally. Yeah, there it is. And it's a nice one, Taylor. It was worth waiting for, so thank you for that. Well, I hope this makes it out to you. Thank you for being a great supporter of mine from the very start of my YouTube journey. Take care. You and Nanny, stay safe, warm, and well. Taylor Dixon. So thank you very much, Taylor. That's a great sticker. I'm proud to put it on my wall. So I'm going to peel the back off it. I'm going to say this too, Taylor. These are really nice stickers. I like them because they're easy to peel the back off. Whoops, maybe I lied. No, there it goes. All right, I think I'm going to put Taylor right down here beside Gary at Tractor Talk with Gary. Another great channel. So look at that. How about that, eh? What a sticker. I like it. So there it is. Backwoods Small Engines. Nice little channel. He's just getting started today. He doesn't have many subscribers, so he can use some help. So get on over there, check him out, give him a like, give him a thumbs up, and subscribe to him. That would be great. And tell him Grampie sent you. All right, here's my brainiac idea of how I can attach the front headboard to the sides and have it removable. I have some strap hinges here that I took the pins out of, right? So I'm hoping that strap hinge will go here and here. And then I'll just slip this pin down in here. Well, it's a nail right now, but I'll get a bigger piece. Anyway, that's going to, if we can get it in there. There. So that's going to hold it on like that. Now I think I'm going to put it up closer to the top. And then when I want to take it off, I pull the pin out, and then I can slide this front piece forward, free of the strap, and then pull it right up. So I think that's going to work. I'm going to need another piece in here just to back this up a little bit to give it some strength. Okay, so now we should be able to locate our hinge right in here somewhere. Okay, so now to get that out, the nail is rusty, so I need a hammer. There we go. So now that should just flip forward, and I can lift that off. And now I just have the sideboards on. So that's going to work out all right, I think. All right, I think I'm finished. I can still take the tailgate out. So that's good. I'll be able to dump the trailer. The sideboards, they're not super sturdy, but nevertheless, it's only going to be chips that's in here. This headboard, although there's no stake, with the base I have on my handle, it comes up against that. So that's good. It's added 14 inches to my trailer, so I should be able to get a nice big load of sawdust in there. And also, even with the carrier on my estate car, even if I jackknife the trailer, it's still going to clear that box, so it's not going to be an issue that way. And if I want to just have the sideboards on, I ended up with getting some smaller nails, so you just knock those nails out. Just like that. This will tip forward and lift out. So now I can just, like if I needed to carry long boards or something, or brush, put it in there like that. And if I wanted to get rid of it completely, well, the sides just pick off like this. And now I'm back to a regular trailer. So I think this is going to work good it's going to work good for helping with the cleanup, especially for carrying chips, because that's really what I want it for. But I'm sure with these sides on it, it'll carry much more than just chips. The problem now is these nails are probably going to vibrate and jump out, and then the headboard will fall off, and I'll get chips all over everywhere. I'd like to go up and chip. I'd like to go out and chip a load of brush and put the chips in here just to show you how good it works, but it's still raining out, and I'm not going to go out in the rain and do that. So the next time I chip, though, I'll be using this setup, and you'll be able to see it. So how do you like my trailer extensions, my sideboard extensions? I think they're going to work out all right. Be able to get a lot more chips in there, and I got a lot of chips to put in there too. So anyways, leave some comments, would you please. Let me know what you think of my trailer sideboards. And in the meantime, I hope you all have a great week. Stay safe, stay out of trouble if you can, and we'll talk to you.